Okay, so in this video we're looking at how to tell the time. So as you can see on the screen, I've put 6 clocks and we're going to work out the time together. Okay, so let's first talk about, so on all these clocks you can see there is a big hand and there is a small hand. Okay, so hopefully you know that the small hand is the one that determines the hour and the big hand is the one that is the minutes. Okay, so also, when we look at the little hand, if it's past one of the numbers, we always round it down. So for in this instance, it's still going to be 4 o'clock because it's just past the 4. Okay, so that one's going to be 4 o'clock. But what is this little hand telling us then? Well, this little hand is telling us the minutes. And if we think about it, we know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So let's write that over here. There's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, so this hand then, if we counted all these notches up, this would be at 29 because the 6 point here would be half an hour. So this would be 4:29. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So this hand, is this hand on the 8 o'clock yet? Be careful here. So no, it's not on the 8 o'clock. So can you see that it's still just not on that yet? And remember that we always round down on time. So when we look at the hour, we always round down. So in this case, this is going to be 7. Okay, and let's have a look at the minutes now. So let's have a count. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So if we think about this, then it's going to be 7:50 when we look at the minutes. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So let's first look at that hour hand again. This hour hand, this time is on the 8, so I can say 8. Now let's look at the minutes. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'd be 8:08. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So this hand, the hour hand, is just past the 1. So it's still going to be 1 because we always round down. Now let's look at the minutes. Okay, let's count together. We've got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So it's going to be 1:17. Okay, this one. So I'll let you have a think about this one. What do we look at first? The big hand or the small hand? Okay, so we look at the small hand first. So the small hand is just past 6. Remember, we always round it down, so it's going to be 6. Okay, let's look at that minute hand. We have 5, 10, 15, 16. So it's going to be 6:16. Okay, and the last one then. So firstly, we look at that hour hand as normal. So the hour hand is just past 12. So remember, we're going to round it down. So it's going to be 12. Now let's look at the minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So this would be about 38. So we would have 12:38. Okay, so on the website there is plenty of questions for you to have a go at on time and reading the time. I've also supplied the answers, so if you want to check your answers are correct, feel more than welcome to do that. If not, have another rewatch of this and also grab yourself a clock and maybe move the hands of the clock around for me. Brilliant.